Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to see what is conventional circuits. Okay. In this video, we will see what is conventional circuits. Okay, and some of the examples. Okay, we will keep it simple and some good examples. Okay, so don't skip the video. Completely watch that entire video, and we are moving forward to core digital electronics. So let's start the video. What is digital electronics? Sorry, what is combinational circuits? I'm just recalling that term now, commonly in digital circuits, so I get confused in typing. Okay, let's see what is combinational circuits. Okay, in combinational circuit, um, um, output depends on the present input. Okay, it's a basic term. If someone ask what is combination circuit means, you can tell directly output depends on present input. If present input changes, input also changes. In combination circuits there are no memory, so there are no previous states. Okay, like considering an AND gate. Okay, like in AND gate, one is like a is one and b is one, we will get the output as one. Okay, if a becomes 0 and b is 1, the output will suddenly we get 0. Like this, the combination circuit works. So whenever the present input is changes, the output we get also changes. So it is called combination circuits. I will make a para. Hmm. Whenever whenever input changes in combination circuits, whenever input changes in combination, the output also changes. So changes. This is first point, and it has no memory, or we can tell no previous state. Okay, these are the 2 points. Okay, we can consider an example of a vending machine. Okay, if you are going to some college or any mall, shopping mall, there we can see vending machine. Okay, when vending machine, it's loaded with some juices or snacks. Okay, if you press that vending machine with a number, okay, which, like U1, U2, U3, W1, W2, W3. Okay, if you click at the W1 means the W1 item. Okay, it's like a mass of juice means a mass of juice will fill down. Okay, we can take the juice like that. Whenever the input is given, the output is withdrawn. So the vending machine can't store that what number will be touched. Okay, it will give the output as the juice. If you click that W1 means output will be the juice. Like that the vending machine works. Like that combination circuit also works. Okay, let's see in like I will show that AND gate diagram. Yeah, it's here. Okay, it's a two input AND gate. Okay, in AND gate video also we thought whenever the both inputs are one, the outputs also be one. Whenever the inputs one of the input is zero or zero, the output is zero. Like that. In combination circuit, whenever the input changes, the output also changes. See, like here one. Okay, both inputs are one, so the output we get one. Okay, I told whenever the input changes, the output must be changed in combination circuit. So like this, here one A is same, but B changes to 0. Suddenly we change the output. Suddenly it changes the output. Okay, 0. Like that, the combination circuit so one works. Okay. Whenever if you're going to some interview, or you are going to attend some mock interview, okay, or you are attending some exams, okay, in that exam or in that mock interview, they ask what is combinational circuit means. In combinational circuits, the circuits depends on the present input. Okay, if the input changes, the output must be changed. Okay, if there is no memory. Okay, there is no memory or there is no previous state. Okay, whenever the input change, the output changes. This is called combinational circuit. Okay, hope you understand that concept for combinational circuit. Okay, next video we will see some of the combination circuits. Combination inside the combination we have some of the terms like adder, subtractor. Okay, mux, dmux, we have multiple terms. Okay, so first revise the logic gates and see this video. You will get the clarity. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you from Madan. Bye.